Hey guys, Brad here with Custom Offsets. Got another episode of Listen Levels for you. This is going to be a 2013 F150 getting a 4-inch BDS suspension system. Alright, so we got the BDS. This is the 4-inch system going on this truck here. It's a full cross-member system. We're going to run through the components here as they're installed. They've already been installed. Everything's on the truck pretty much, I think. I don't know actually. I'm hoping everything's on the truck. So first things first, we got the new forged lift knuckles that BDS designs and also builds. You can see here the lower control arm drop cross members. This is going to be one of the key components here to drop the lower control arms down. Sway bar drop brackets, which also tie into the factory frame as well. And then another key component is going to be, of course, the front differential drop. That's going to be to maintain a proper CV axle angle. As you can see, the truck at full droop here has pretty minimal CV axle angle because of the drop, the knuckle design, and the lower control arm drop crossmember design as well. All goes into playing a part in having these nice, easy angles on components, which is going to be the key to longevity on a lifted vehicle. What else is there to talk about here? We got a front drive shaft spacer as well. You can see that back there. It's an aluminum spacer that they use for these. Ford uses a little bit different style front drive shaft joint, not just a typical U-joint. I believe they're a Rosetta joint is what those are called. So having that spacer is crucial because they don't use a slip yoke or anything else like that. Pretty much that's everything to the front components of the kit. Remember, the keys are dropping that front diff down and then lowering the lower control arms as well. And then moving around to the back of the vehicle, we can make it there. You got it? Nope. Fox shocks in the rear. These are the optional Fox 2.0s for the rear, and then got the new rear blocks and U-bolts for the rear. You can see this is in a full solid aluminum block that BDS uses. Something a little different. Not necessarily sure it's better or worse than a steel or iron block, but it looks nicer. Some brake line relocation brackets is really to round off the back here. You can see the parking brake cable. There's a bracket here to relocate everything like that. Just a replacement of the shocks then, and then the new blocks, and that's really about it. That's the 4-inch BDS system for this 2013 F-150.